Hello viewers. Welcome to Consumer Zone. Today, we are here with some of the best clamp meter that work quite good. You can also find their details like major features and options in our buying guide to easily differentiate between them. This will allow you to buy the perfect clamp meter for your needs. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Oh yes, since you're a new channel, don't forget to subscribe to us, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification, as it will help us grow. So let's get started with the video. Number 5. Klein Tools CL110 KIT. Klein is a well-known name in electrical tools, so we expected quite a bit from this meter. It did look good on paper with quite a few excellent features packed in. In our testing though, it didn't live up to our expectations from Klein. We did really like the receptacle tester that makes it easy to determine whether or not a circuit is active, and which breaker any given outlet is on. The line splitter lets you draw up to 15 amps without splitting the power cord it's carried on. These were great features, but not everything was great. This multimeter does not have true RMS capability, which is disappointing given the price. It also requires 3 AAA batteries instead of the 2 that we've become accustomed to on other units. Both of these would be excusable though if the CL110 KIT was consistent and accurate. In our testing, the readings were inconsistent at best, not being accurate enough for our needs. This is one of the most important traits in a multimeter, and the Klein doesn't do well in this department. For these reasons, this meter doesn't quite make it into the upper reaches of this list. Number 4. Uni-T B4Q094. It's hard not to notice the tiny form factor of the Uni-T mini clamp meter. That's the first thing you'll notice, but there's a lot more to this device than just its small size. To begin, this is a true RMS meter, a feature usually reserved for multimeters several times the price of this one. Even better, the 20 mega max resistance means this is a very versatile meter that can be used to measure high resistance current. Though it's not one of the more expensive meters we tested, it's also not one of the cheaper ones, landing squarely in the middle of the pack. Though it does have plenty of great qualities, the Uni-T mini clamp meter does have some very noticeable drawbacks as well. First, this device has a very difficult time reading DC. It can do it, but you'll have to play around with it, and be sure not to move during measuring, or it will mess with the current. Worse, the knob is really low quality and doesn't work as we hoped. We had trouble getting it to click into place properly, and sometimes it would zero repeatedly if not fully into a selection. Number 3. Etekcity clamp meters. The affordably priced Etekcity MSRC 600 auto-ranging clamp meter is a very nice looking device. This may not have any bearing on its performance, but it's worth noting. Performance-wise, one impressive trait of this meter is the 20 mega max resistance. Compared to the meager 4 kilohms of the Fluke, this is a great rating that makes this a good option if you do need to measure high resistance circuits. There is one major drawback to this device that's hard to overcome. You cannot measure DC with this multimeter. Generally, clamp-on meters are going to be used for standard electric work, so AC should be sufficient for most people. Besides this, our only real complaint is that the screen is not backlit. It's frustrating to have your hands full with probes and your meter positioned with the screen facing you, but the measurement unable to be read. Though it's a great meter overall, these drawbacks will keep it from getting into our top 3 recommendations. Number 2. Fluke clamp meter. Fluke is one of the most well-respected names in electrical metering, so it should come as no surprise that their 324 true RMS clamp meter has earned our premium choice recommendation. Of course, it's quite expensive, but the quality is hard to beat. For instance, this device is safety rated for both Cat 3 and Cat 4. The clamp can open up to 30 mm and measure continuity in a circuit without touching or interrupting it. This function worked superbly and was one of the standout features of this model. We always love convenience, and fortunately, the Fluke 324 has a backlit display to make it easy to see in any light conditions. The only real drawback is that this unit is not good for measuring resistance. The 4 kOhms max resistance it boasts is one of the lowest on any unit we tested for this list. Granted, you would likely purchase a different meter if you were primarily testing high-resistance circuits, but we still would like to have the functionality. Although we have this one minor complaint, we think this meter is one of the best, which is why it's in our third position. Number 1. UEi DL369. Mid-range pricing with high-end performance makes the UEi Test Instruments DL369 digital clamp-on meter our pick for best overall. The 4 megohm max resistance is very respectable for a clamp-on type meter and allows you to deal with high-resistance systems. Of course, one of the most important aspects of a multimeter is accuracy, and in our testing, this one was rock solid across the board. When you consider the modest price, this tool has pretty impressive functionality. We always appreciate when a device runs off of common and inexpensive batteries. The UEi DL369 fits the bill, being powered by 2 AAA batteries. We were a bit disappointed at the lack of a backlit display though. Electrical boxes are often dark areas to work in, so the extra help to see the screen would have been nice. That's a pretty minor gripe, and overall, we think this is the best clamp-on meter that we tested. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this unbiased review. And please don't forget to subscribe us to get the news of upcoming reviews. Stay tuned.